Hello, this is Amber Wood and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be looking at the new Stone Cold Fox Colourpop palette. I also got a little glitter on the side. I want to try and do a little bit of a halo eye today, something a little different for me. I don't do them very often, but I always love the way that they look. So I'm going to give that a try with this new palette. Now this palette goes for $34 on the Colourpop website. It's a 30 pan palette, which is pretty big. Colourpop always has great formula. I always love how their eyeshadows perform. Here's one that I use all the time. This is, I don't think you can even get this one anymore. It's called You Had Me at Hello. And I use this, so you can see how messy it is. I use it all the time for like my everyday looks and that kind of stuff. So let's get into it. Here's the Stone Cold Fox. Now I originally saw this on a TikTok. A girl that I follow on there, her name is Michaela. She is awesome. And she was showing the palette. As soon as I saw it, I was like, it's so beautiful. Look at all that. Look at how pretty. Just neutrals for days. I mean, the shimmers are so beautiful. I haven't touched it yet, so I'm kind of scared. I don't want to mess it up. You ever do that when you get a new palette? You just don't want to mess it up yet. I just figured, you know what? I haven't bought a whole lot of makeup lately. I don't know about you guys, but I haven't been going a lot of places, so there's not really a need to buy a bunch of new makeup. I'm pregnant, so I've been extra cautious and staying home a lot. But this palette just spoke to me. It spoke to me. I had to order it. So what am I gonna do? So I've already done all my other facial stuff. The other item I bought is some of their glitter, body glitter gel. This goes for $8 on their website. I already had one. The one I have is called Disco Lady. Disco Lady. So it's kind of like opalescent, you know, kind of iridescent. And it comes in kind of like a gel. It's like a little paint pot kind of a thing. So I haven't opened the one I bought yet. This one has got kind of a gold color. Oh, look how pretty. Ooh. Ah, so pretty. But these are really good because you don't have to use glue. They're already like good to go. You just put, you know, you can put it like on your chest or, you know, a little part of your highlight. And that's, you know, that's why I like them. Little inner corner action. We'll definitely be using that today. I'm going to start with a big fluffy. And let's see, what am I going to do here? I don't even know. There's just so many choices, so many choices. I'm kind of leaning towards, these two kind of look the same to me. There's one called Stranger and one called Enigma on this row here, second row. I'm going to start with that guy over there, Stranger. Just kind of a light neutral color, nice backdrop. We'll just kind of get that to set in place. Look at this one. This one has kind of like a blue hint under it. And then this one in the corner is just gorge. This is one of those palettes that is gonna stay on my table, I feel like, because I'm just gonna go to it all the time. I think next I'll go into Ghost Town. It's kind of a little darker there. We'll do a little bit in the crease. Okay. Looking good. Now we're gonna go to a darker, I think. So my eyes are always hard to do a halo eye because I feel like I have tiny eyes and I don't have a lot of space to work with. So I'm gonna go down in the very bottom corner. It's called Obsidian down here, kind of a dark brown there. So I'm just kind of putting that on the outside there, and then we're also gonna go on the inside as well. If you don't know what a halo eye is, I'm trying to get like the strip right down the middle. That's where I'm gonna put my shimmer right in the middle. Just trying to blend out a little bit. I feel like I wanna take that up a little bit. See, so I'm going to come back with concealer, but I'm just kind of putting the darkness around. So this look is not going to be like a super fancy look, but cute, you know. So I'm going to do some white concealer. Okay, doing some concealer. I always feel like I get these crooked. So what I've seen is you want it to be like a V shape. I could do it with a brush. Oh, I went too high with that one. We're gonna have to fix that. Got it on my eyelash. That's all right. Oh, for God's sake. So V shape with the top of it kind of curved a bit. Am I pretty yet? Yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with kind of a lighter shade right on the edges and try to blend in with that darker shade. So I think I'm going to go back to that Ghost Town, the one I used. Kind of a nice one. That's right on the edge of my V, just to soften that up a little bit. That one, see, I did too much on that one. That's okay. Everybody calm down. Now, what shimmer do I use? I'm going to go with this one on the end, Nice Guy, but it's spelled with G-N-E-I. Right there. Nice Guy. So I'm going to get a little hit. This is Dewy Set, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Just helps it stick a little better. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I'm not really liking just the one shimmer, so I feel like I want to do like another shimmer around the one that I just did. Oh, these are so pretty. This one's kind of a gold. I don't know. I feel like this look is not going the way that I'd hoped. I look ill. What? Maybe when I add like the liner, the lashes, it's going to help it out. Trust the process is what they say. Let's do underneath, shall we? Shall we? Okay, I'm going to use one called Fickle Fate. It's just kind of a dark brown on the bottom row. I'm not at all saying it has anything to do with the palette because this is just human error here. Not even human error, it's just human. Okay, they have a nice black called Rock Bottom. I'm not going to use that one. Drama Mama, that's the one next to the black. It's really dark brown. We'll get into that a little bit, I think. For the waterline, let me do a little hit on the top too. See, usually I can save my looks, you know? They start out kind of crazy sometimes, but I can bring it back. See, this is why I don't always do the halo eye, because I feel like I don't do it right. We're gonna do an inner corner shimmer. There's one called I Dig It, kind of a goldie on the top row. Where's it? Right there. I like to use my ring finger. My ring finger is usually just like the perfect size to get right in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put liner and mascara on, probably lashes. I'm just going to my dad's house, so I don't need to get all foo-fooed up, I guess, but let me see if I can save this. It doesn't look bad, it's just, I feel like I need to blend it better. I need a very tiny blending brush is what I need. This one's got too much stuff on it. Like, I need the tiniest of blending brushes. See, this is why I don't understand why my look doesn't look as good as everybody on Instagram. Whatever. Okay, we're just gonna do it. I'm just gonna put the liner on and be done with it, because the more you mess with it, the worse it's probably gonna get. That's been my experience, at least. I saw this thing the other day about people with hooded eyes, that they should do like a different kind of wing liner, like with a little on the end. I don't know if I should try that. Should I try that and just see what happens? I mean, why not? Okay, looks pretty good. So I don't know what it is though. Is it like just a... Like, does that look stupid? Oh, this side does. So, what do y'all think? This is a Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, by the way. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like we'll just give it a shot and see what happens, right? I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I need to curl my lashitos. What are we thinking? I'm definitely going to need lashes. Because I don't have any. Like, I have short, stubby, stupid lashes. Well, that dries. Let's try this glitter. So this glitter is called Homecoming. It's kind of a little gold action. I'm just going to use a little peach Master Chrome Maybelline. This one's all jacked up. The top fell off. Just get a little hit of that. These highlighters are so good. Price is right. I have all of them. Okay, let's get glittery. So it's kind of like a little gel, so don't freak out. And then I'm just going to pat a little on where the highlighter is. If it globs up, you just kind of wipe it off, spread it around. Put a little bit with my inner corner just to kind of pull it together. See, this one's nice because it's just like little bitty glitters The other one is a bit more chunky, which I like chunky too. I'm gonna put some on my collarbone too. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see it in the lights. But it's really pretty. Totally worth $8. I mean, glitter tends to get everywhere though, so do be prepared for that. Okay, so I'm gonna put lashes on. I'll be right back. Okay, I think the lashes definitely help. These are just an Ardell wispy situation. I do kind of like the way I did the eyeliner, the new way that I saw the other day. Let's go ahead and top it off with a lipstick. This is a Kylie Clove. It's kind of a darker, kind of fall color. A little bit of rose, mauve-ish. Be nice if my lips weren't chapped all the time. That's so pretty. Ooh, I haven't worn this one in a while. So what do we think about the palette? I say definitely Amberrific. Yes, worth the money. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of it. One of the things that Michaela said on her TikTok was that if you were a makeup artist, this was like definitely something you had to have in your kit, because like for bridal makeup and whatever else. Oh, I'm getting my fingerprints on it. Oh, I hate that. I definitely recommend the palette. I think I saved the look-ish. Looks all right. It'll do for the day. The glitter, I always recommend their glitters. Really cute in the little gel pots. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like down below. Click the subscribe button so you can follow along. Hit the notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Just a quick little, you know, day glam action. And, you know, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye!